Welcome. Learn about tiramisu, how to make amazing tiramisu. Tiramisu is a coffee-flavored Italian dessert. It is made of ladyfingers dipped in coffee, layered with a whipped mixture of eggs, sugar, and mascarpone cheese, flavored with cocoa. The recipe has been adapted into many varieties of cakes and other desserts. Its origins are often disputed among Italian regions Veneto and Friuli-Venezia Giulia. History. Most accounts of the origin of tiramisu date its invention to the 1960s in the region of Veneto, Italy, at the restaurant La Beccheria in Treviso. Specifically, the dish is claimed to have first been created by a confectioner named Roberto Linguinato, owner of La Beccheria. Some debate remains, however. Historical records state that tiramisu has aphrodisiac effects and was served in brothels in Treviso. Accounts by Carmen Antonio Iannacone claim the tiramisu sold at La Beccheria was made by him in his bakery, created by him on December 24, 1969. Other sources report the creation of the cake as originating towards the end of the 17th century in Siena in honor of Grand Duke Cosimo III. Regardless, recipes named tiramisu are unknown in cookbooks before the 1960s. The Italian-language dictionary Sabatini Coletti traces the first printed mention of the word to 1980, while Merriam-Webster's online dictionary gives 1982 as the first mention of the dessert. There is also evidence of a tiramisu, semi-frozen dessert, served by the Vecchierino restaurant in Pires, in the Friuli-Venezia Giulia, since 1938. This may be the name's origin, while the recipe for tiramisu may have originated as a variation of another layered dessert. Zuppa Inglese. It is mentioned in Giovanni Capnist's 1983 cookbook, I Dolce del Veneto. Among traditional pastry, tiramisu also has similarities with many other cakes, in particular with the charlotte, in some versions composed of a Bavarian cream surrounded by a crown of ladyfingers and covered by a sweet cream, the Turin cake. Consisting of ladyfingers soaked in rosolio and alchermes with a spread made of butter, egg yolks, sugar, milk, and dark chocolate, and the Bavarese lombarda, which is similar in the preparation and the presence of certain ingredients such as ladyfingers and egg yolks. In Bavarese, butter and rosolio are also used, but not mascarpone cream nor coffee. Interest in tiramisu in the United States increased in 1993 when Tom Hanks' protagonist in the comedy Sleepless in Seattle heard of it only as a mysterious thing that modern women loved. On July 29, 2017, tiramisu was entered by the Ministry of Agricultural, Food and Forestry Policies on the list of traditional Friulian and Julian agri-food products in the Friuli-Venezia Giulia region. Original characteristics. Traditional tiramisu contains a short list of ingredients: finger biscuits, egg yolks, sugar, coffee, mascarpone cheese, cocoa powder, and sometimes liquor. The original shape of the cake is round, although the shape of the biscuits allows the use of a rectangular or square pan, spreading the classic image to tile. However, it is often assembled in round glasses, which show the various layers, or pyramid. Modern versions have as a rule the addition of whipped cream or whipped egg, or both, combined with mascarpone cream. This makes the dish lighter, thick, and foamy. Among the most common alcoholic changes includes the addition of marsala. The cake is usually eaten cold. Another variation involves the preparation of the cream with eggs heated to sterilize it, but not so much that the eggs scramble. Over time, replacing some of the ingredients, mainly coffee, there arose numerous variants, such as tiramisu with chocolate, amaretto, berry, lemon, strawberry, pineapple, yogurt, banana, raspberry, coconut, and even beer. Although these are not considered true tiramisu, as these variations only share the layered characteristic of tiramisu, these examples more closely resemble variations of trifle. Numerous variations of tiramisu exist. Some cooks use other cakes or sweet, yeasted breads, such as panettone, in place of ladyfingers. Other cheese mixtures are used as well, some containing raw eggs, and others containing no eggs at all. Marsala wine can be added to the recipe, but other liquors are frequently substituted for it in both the coffee and the cheese mixture, including dark rum, Madeira, port, brandy, Malibu, or Irish cream, and especially coffee-flavored liqueurs such as Tia Maria and Kahlua. Di Serrano is also often used to enhance the taste of tiramisu. How to make tiramisu? You need 4 eggs, 500 gram mascarpone, 100 milliliters espresso, 10 ladyfingers or Savoiardi biscuits, 100 g sugar, cocoa powder dust, 2 tablespoons dark rum. Whisk 3 of the egg whites until stiff, then set aside. Whisk the egg yolks with the sugar until pale and voluminous, then whisk in the mascarpone, a little at a time, until smooth and well combined. Gently fold the 3 whites into the mascarpone mixture with a large metal spoon, being careful to knock as little air out as possible. Stir the rum into the coffee and pour into a shallow dish. Dip each biscuit into the liquid until it is a pale coffee color, then arrange to cover the base of a shallow glass dish. Spoon a third of the mascarpone mixture on top, followed by a good sprinkle of cocoa, then repeat the layers, finishing with a layer of the cheese and cocoa. Cover and refrigerate for 6 hours. Before serving, you may need to dust with a little more cocoa. Learn about tiramisu, how to make amazing tiramisu. Thank you for watching this video. Goodbye.